Every day, you depend on energy to nudge you out of bed and get those synapses firing. For over a century, we've relied on fossil fuels to power our daily lives. But advances in solar and battery technology have reached a tipping point. It's more practical and affordable than ever to harness the sun, to fill your home with clean energy. Now, you can save money on your utility bills, reduce your carbon footprint, and keep the power flowing whenever the grid has a bad day. The Enphase energy system brings solar, batteries, and software together in one complete package, so you can make, use, save, and even sell your own power. And you can control it all with a smart mobile app. And today, in many states, you can sell your surplus power back to the local utility for cash or a credit on your bill. You can do it all with the Enphase app. One of the most important decisions you'll make is choosing an installer. Enphase partners with a network of experienced, independent installers who can design a system that's right for you. And because they live where you live, they can help you take advantage of tax incentives and credits in your area. Together, they've installed Enphase systems on more than 1.5 million homes in 130 countries. With an Enphase energy system, you become a producer and participant in the energy revolution. This is the clean energy future we've been waiting for.